You are going to love the 2017 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, convertible soft top, rain sensing wipers, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.